Noah. Welcome back to Daily Chat English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Noah. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone experiences but doesn't always discuss: emotions at work.
Yes, people often say, I'm fine, even when they're stressed, overwhelmed, or completely exhausted.
Exactly. You walk into the office with a smile, coffee in hand, but inside you're thinking, I need a break already.
That's so true. And it's really important to acknowledge our feelings because they affect not only our productivity, but also our mental well-being.
Absolutely. So, Emma, how do you usually feel on a really busy workday?
Honestly, a mix of productive and overwhelmed. I love staying busy, but sometimes my emails never seem to end.
The infamous email storm. You answer one, and three more appear like magic.
Like a video game boss battle inbox edition.
Exactly. And how do you usually handle that stress?
Small breaks are my secret weapon. Even 1 or 2 minutes help. I stretch, drink water, take a deep breath. Tiny habits, but they reset my mind.
Same here. I often just stand up, walk a few steps, or look out the window. 30 seconds can make a huge difference.
And we sometimes forget that emotions are part of work. You can feel motivated and stressed at the same time. And that's okay.
Absolutely. Feeling tired doesn't mean you're lazy. Feeling stressed doesn't mean you're bad at your job. It just means you're human.
Sadly, some workplaces make people feel guilty for showing their emotions.
Yes, that pressure makes people hide how they feel, and communication suffers.
Speaking of communication, I used to get really nervous in meetings.
Really? You seem so confident now.
I do now, but before, every time I wanted to speak, my heart would race, my hands would shake, my voice was shaky. I felt like everyone was judging me.
Oh, I know that feeling. But now I've realized that most people are focused on themselves, not me. That changed everything.
That's a great perspective. I do something similar. Before speaking, I tell myself I don't need to be perfect, I just need to be clear.
I love that. Confidence isn't something you have. It's something you build slowly, every day.
Exactly. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets.
And work life is like a gym for that muscle. Emails, presentations, deadlines, unexpected challenges, all part of the training.
And don't forget celebrating small wins. Even sending a difficult email or speaking up in a meeting counts as progress.
Absolutely. Asking for help is also a big win. It's not failure, it's teamwork.
That's so true. I used to wait too long before asking, and it only increased my stress. Now I reach out early. It reduces pressure and builds trust.
Reflection helps too. Just 5 minutes at the end of the day. What went well? What can I do better tomorrow?
Yes, it reminds you that even small efforts matter. Progress is progress.
Sharing emotions also builds stronger relationships with your team.
Definitely. And sometimes humor saves the day. I remember last month,
Oh, what happened?
we had a huge project due. Everyone was stressed. I accidentally sent a draft to the wrong email. I thought, oh no, but then we all started laughing and the tension disappeared for a moment.
That's perfect. Humor is a stress relief tool. Mistakes happen. It's human.
And small progress matters more than perfection. I used to think every email, every presentation had to be flawless. Now I just try my best and improve gradually.
Same here. Looking back at your progress can be motivating. I started 6 months ago struggling with presentations. Now I feel more confident.
Reflection is powerful, and sharing small wins with your team helps too. Even a simple, great job on that email makes people feel valued.
Feeling proud, even for tiny things, boosts motivation.
like finishing a tough spreadsheet or resolving a small problem.
Work can be emotionally challenging. Maybe a client is unhappy or a project failed. That can feel discouraging.
But taking a moment to breathe and ask, what can I learn from this, makes a difference. Every challenge is a lesson. Mistakes are opportunities to grow.
Talking about feelings with a trusted colleague also reduces stress and makes you feel less alone.
Totally. Even saying, I'm stressed about this deadline can relieve tension.
And it encourages teamwork. Sometimes a colleague can give a simple solution you didn't see.
Yes, teamwork is magic. Asking for help is actually a strength, not a weakness.
One thing I tell myself is, I am allowed to feel stressed, but I am also capable of handling it.
That's a great mindset. Positive self-talk is important. I do the same. Sometimes I whisper, you've got this.
That's cute. And even a short pause to breathe or practice mindfulness helps.
Absolutely. Pauses are underrated, but they prevent mistakes caused by rushing.
And celebrating success at the end of the day, no matter how small, is essential.
I like to write a mini success list before leaving. It keeps motivation for tomorrow.
Emotions are normal. Feeling tired, stressed, or frustrated doesn't mean we're failing.
Exactly. Accept emotions, manage them, and move forward.
All right, everyone, we hope today's episode helps you feel encouraged to be honest about your feelings at work.
And remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as completing your tasks.
Practice confidence, celebrate small wins, ask for help, laugh a little, and always reflect.
Perfect summary.
Thanks for joining Daily Chat English today.
See you next time. Stay confident, stay motivated, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing, and remember, emotions are part of success.